Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Notice Board, where you can get the notification for all the technical events which will be useful for both faculty and students. So this video will be useful for the students who want to study abroad, those who want to do the masters in the different countries, right? So the Canam Study Board group organizing the International Education Fair from 19th November to 28th November and in person. So that is from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And you can book the appointments to meet and discuss with the university or college officials. And the features or the benefits offered from this particular group is all the services free of cost, and application fee waivers will be there, scholarship or co-op operations, and post graduation work permit options. And the location, the schedule of this particular educational fair comes here. So in different areas, Amritsar and Navanshire, Mohali, Jalandhar, Moga, Kana. So here you can find the venues and date and time when it will be happen. So the students who belongs to these particular states, you can avail this opportunity. So Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore, everything for every day, every state, they are conducting this educational fair. Definitely you will get some knowledge about this one, and once go through this website and explore this website, and if you feel okay this is a genuine, so you can go with this, you can participate in this educational fair and you can get an idea about that one. Okay, so those who want to study abroad, this is a best opportunity. So go through the fair schedule, educational fair schedule, right? So I'll post the link in the description, so you just go through it and participate. All the very best.